After cleaning the lens, I will put it back to this laser cone. The next thing we need to take care of the directions. We need to put the lens as this directions. The convex side is up. This is upside, convex side. It's clean enough. So first I put it back to the cone and put a washer. You know, I will send back the the locking ring. I insert this by my fingers, rotate a bit. Now I can use this plier. Okay. It's almost fastened. Use it and fasten a bit. Make sure the lens will not move freely inside. And I shake it a bit. Make sure it's in place. Then I will attach the laser cone to the mirror C mount. Okay, if I screw the laser cone always up, and we can see right now the position looks very strange. We need the I need the and also connect the air tube in this position and we can have the access homing switch can be put here in correct place. If we put the limit switch at this position, it's not enough length, and it only be put in these positions, and the air tube can be inserted to the air nozzle. So this is the perfect position. Okay, so now I need to hold the nozzle and clockwise lock the ring. Okay, now the nozzle cannot turn left or right. And now I insert the air tube. It was fastened. It cannot move out. And the last thing is to fix the limit switch back. In this position, the screw, we need to locate the position, the whole position by your feeling. Then we check it works well with the probe and the limit switch. It's quite quite stable. Everything was. Every time after we replace the lens, we do suggest to recheck the laser pass of the third meter here to adjust the knob, the 3 knob, to align the laser pass. That's all for today's video. Thank you very much.